Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited because today I have for you guys another fragrance oil review from villagecraft&candle. Yes! Oh my god, the different fragrance oils that they have curated in its beautiful collection, guys. Okay, I'm so impressed because this is the first time that I encountered this kind of sets on any kind of candle supplier, guys. So they have grouped together these beautiful scents, guys. And let me just read to you a little bit of information about this set, okay? The EmotiScents Fragrance Explore Kit, okay? Discover the EmotiScents Fragrance Explorer Kits. It's your ticket to a world of captivating aromas in a convenient 30 ml bottles. From the energizing Eger Wood to the calming Clary Sage and Lavender and the uplifting Mango Tangerine, this kit transforms your space and mood effortlessly. Embrace EmotiScents Fragrance Oil for an aromatic journey that enchants the senses. And guys, let me tell you something. All you need to do for your candleline collection, guys, just get a set of these scents, guys. So I'll be the judge, guys, okay? I'm gonna be testing all these 6, guys. I have the fragrance tips already written up in here, guys, okay? Let me tell you guys, whenever you encounter this kind of kits, it's a great idea, guys, because then you have to make a candleline just especially for this kind of niche, okay, guys? So, okay, the first, it's gonna be Eger Wood. Okay, I'm gonna put pictures of the websites also, and as you can see, they have this kind of icons in there. This icon is for energy, okay? Woo! Okay, experience a burst of energy with Eger Wood EmotiScents Energy Fragrance Oil. It combines the invigorating scents of juniper berries, lemon peel, and misty greens at the top. In the middle, you'll find, oh my god, I don't need to read it anymore, guys. This is really epic. Ooh! The way it's working into me. Okay, let me read it in the description because this is out of this world. Oh my god, guys. Very energizing, like what it says. It combines the invigorating scents of juniper berries, lemon peel, and misty green at the top. Wow, okay. In the middle, you'll find olibanum, cardamom seed, and oak moss extract, adding depth and warmth. The base notes of patchouli, rich oud, and dark woods complete this revitalizing aroma. Elevate your surroundings and mood with this natural fragrance. Unleash the power of EmotiScents and feel refreshed. Okay, guys. It's very energizing, very different. It's great, guys, if you are like in a down mood, you know, and you feel like, oh my god, kind of depressed. Whenever there is like a cloudy day and you need some kind of uplifting, guys. Perfect for making a wonderful day, okay, guys? Okay, the top notes is juniper berries, lemon peel, and misty green. Perfect top notes. Middle notes, olibanum. I don't know what that is, but it's really good. The cardamom seed is very delicate, but very mysterious. And the oak moss extract. Okay, the base notes, patchouli, rich oud, and dark woods. Very comforting, guys. Perfection. A must-have on your candle line. Beautiful. I'm very impressed. Truly very impressed, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! Eger Wood. Beautiful. Okay, the next one is called Clary Sage and Lavender. Let me find. Guys, you don't know how happy I am that I discovered this place, because let me tell you something. They have so many different kind of fragrance oils from all the rest of different fragrance companies that I reviewed before. So I'm telling you guys, go check them out. Okay, go check them out because you are not gonna be disappointed. Okay, let's see about this one. Clary Sage and Lavender. This is a relaxing fragrance oil. Unwind and rejuvenate with Clary Sage and Lavender EmotiScents Relaxing Fragrance Oil. This soothing blend combines top notes of bergamot and lavender. Okay, this opening notes, this is calling me like if I want to get a massage, like if you get a masseuse to come over home, you know, and just getting ready for that beautiful sensation of relaxation, and you just getting your whole body worked up in a nice relaxing massage, followed by the calming scent of eucalyptus, very relaxing, very in a way medicinal, but in a good way, you know. It cleanses up your sinuses and it makes you feel like relax. The calming scent of eucalyptus and matte absolute in the middle. The base notes of Clary Sage and Bulgarian rose at a touch of serenity. Transform your space into a tranquil oasis and experience the ultimate relaxation. The top note is bergamot and lavender. Perfect top notes. Very relaxing, very uplifting also. Middle notes, eucalyptus, matte absolute. And the base note is Clary Sage and Bulgarian rose. Okay, guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Again, if you want to go a place like you want to go meditate and relax, just light up this candle, close your eyes, and just let the energy come to you. This is the perfect candle for you to do that, okay, guys? I'm telling you, beautiful. EmotiScents relaxing fragrance oil. Woof, beautiful, beautiful. Woof, oh my God. The next one is called Cypress and Cardamon. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing more powerful than the power of scent. I love doing these fragrance reviews. I want to share with you the way these are making me feel, and I just love when I discover something that really moves me, that brings emotions to my life. Indulge in tranquility and cypress and cardamom EmotiScents. This is a relaxing fragrance oil, an exquisite fusion of calming cypress and aromatic cardamom, designed to soothe your senses and create a serene ambience. Okay, I have to say, this is truly epic. This is my favorite from all of them, guys. This is the one that really touched my soul. It's very calming. It's very it's making me feel like I am in a temple, relaxing. I'm just chanting. You know what chanting means? When you say words and the same word and you repeat the same word. Tina Turner used to do a lot of chanting, and that's what kept her center. This is making me just close my eyes and just center my soul. Beautiful. Top notes: lemon, petitgrain, cool cypress waters. Very, very exotic, guys. Very, very, very special. Middle notes: blue cypress and moss. Base notes: cardamom, cedarwood, and sheer musk. Absolutely perfect, guys, for you when you want to unwind. This is great when you come home from the office and from work and you just want to just relax and unwind, Just light up this beautiful candle with this beautiful scent and you're gonna be in seventh heaven, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yes! Yes! Oh my God. Woo! I love it. Let me just take a deep breath and just keep going. Mango tangerine. Okay, let me find it. Enhance your well-being with mango tangerine EmotiScents. A harmonious blend of ripe mango and zesty tangerine, creating a soothing and uplifting atmosphere. Sample this fragrance, 5 other amazing scents, okay, on the EmotiScents fragrance exploring kit. Okay, this one is for well-being. Let's see, guys. Let's see what this one brings me. Okay, this one it creates a different vibe from the rest. This one is making me very energetic, It's very cheerful, very happy, very, I don't know, it uplifts my soul. Again, this one, when I close my eyes and I just smell this, it takes me to a happy place. It takes me to a vacation place. It takes me to a place that I'm happy, and just brings me happiness and joy to my soul, okay? The top notes is juicy lemon, tangerine, and lime zest. Perfect, beautiful opening notes. Middle notes: mango bellini, sun-drenched papaya. It's sweet, but it's sweet in a very calming, I don't know, very uplifting way. Base notes: sweet sugarcane and teakwood. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. You're gonna love this one. Oh my God. Yeah! Woo! Well-being. Yes! The next one is called orange zest and ginger. I'm so impressed, guys. I'm so impressed. Something different, for your candle line. This is perfect. Perfect curated fragrance oils, guys. Okay, energize your space with orange zest and ginger EmotiScents fragrance oil. A dynamic fusion of vibrant orange zest and invigorating ginger. Designed to awaken your senses and boost your energy levels. Okay, guys, let's see. Very energetic. It's wow, it wakes you up. It makes you, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready what is going for today, okay? Confront whatever comes your way. Makes you feel secure, center. It brings a lot of hope also. I don't know, it's very, very cheerful, very energetic, my goodness. Okay, the top note is bergamot, pink grapefruit, blood orange. Woo! Middle notes: ginger root, mandarin flower, and coriander. Base notes, cedarwood, amber, and patchouli. Absolutely, absolutely wonderful, guys. Beautiful. Yes! Another winner, guys. Oof. Wow. Okay. Let's take a deep breath, guys. This is like an experience for me. When I share this with you, this is what I love making these videos, guys. I love it when this kind of fragrance always brings me this kind of energy and this kind of emotions to you. Ooh, okay, the last one is called Verbena Cocoa Lime. It's blown me away, guys. This one is for well-being too. Okay, the description says, experience a refreshing burst of well-being with Verbena Cocoa Lime EmotiScents. A delightful blend of verbena, coconut, and zesty lime that awakens your senses and uplifts your mood. Okay, guys, let's see what this brings me, okay? Okay. It's very like, I feel like I am like in a boat rowing down a lake. You know what, guys? I used to go, when I used to live in New York, I used to live also near Central Park. And I remember that I used to like, this is crazy, guys. Let me share this memory with you. When I used to have my Maltese dogs, my Susie, I used to take her with me. We used to go to Central Park, and they have a lake where you can rent boats and just spend an hour just rowing around the lake. You know, in Central Park is beautiful, surrounded with this beautiful beauty, and then you see all the buildings of New York City surrounding you. And I remember, guys, this took me right to that memory when I used to take her there, and I used to row with her in peace with no music, just listening to the beautiful water and just listening to the birds and just watching my dog, just having a great time with me. This is taking me right there. I don't know why, but this is the memory that is shining, and I want to experience this with you. Oh my God, the top note is bergamot, lime, and verbena. Middle notes, mandarin orange, coconut, lily of the valley. Base notes, vanilla pot, sandalwood, and moss. Oh my God. You see, guys, I love when a scent takes me back to a beautiful, happy place and a time of my life. I'll never forget when I used to go with Susie, you know, Central Park, you know, and this beautiful joy and these beautiful memories, you know, that you get to experience back when you light up a candle, you know, when you get to experience these beautiful fragrance oils, when a scent takes you back to that moment on time. And that's what I love making this for you. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Guys, I just want to let you know that Village Craft and Candle has given us a referral code that I'm going to list down on the description box. Okay, guys, this referral code is going to help me bring you more beautiful content to you. Okay, that's going to give you, by you using this code when you shop at the website, that's going to give me a small commission. Okay, guys, so I hope you help me out, continue my candle making journey with you guys by using that referral code. At the same time, guys, I just want to let you know that I also have, I'm also an Amazon influencer. So if you shop my Amazon store, that I have all my favorite candle making equipment and accessories, go follow that link also in the description box. And I want to thank Village Craft and Candle for sending me these beautiful fragrance oils, guys. And I have another video coming up also with another Explorer kit. Okay, guys. So in the meantime, don't forget also to check out my website, candleromance.shop, so you can purchase all my beautiful candles. Okay, guys, so on to the next video, guys. Be well, and thank you for spending this time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Yay! Success! Success! Thank you. Yeah!